So here's an example that we can do is finding actors that appear in at least 25 movies. So we just want all of the rows for these actors that appear in at least 25 movies. All right, so just to show you, there are about 5,000 rows in this data frame. And if we just want all the movies of a particular actor that has appeared in at least 25 or more, so what we can do here, this is a case where we'd want to use the filter method. So we're going to group by just actor 1 in this case, and we have to define a custom function. We'll just say more than 25. Okay, so it's going to be past a data frame. And all we're going to do here is pretty simple. We just want to know if the number, so the length of this data frame, just the number of rows, is greater than 25. So that's all we do. So dot ag, we're just going to pass in more 25, and not dot ag, sorry, dot filter, more than 25. So this should be only actors, and we'll just call this movie actor 25. So the ones that have at least 25. Okay. And if we want to verify that this is the case, we'll do movie actor 25. We'll get actor 1. We'll do value counts of this one. And all of these should have at least 20, or really 26 appearances. Okay, so that is how we can verify, and that's how it's just a simple, a simple Boolean check right here. All right, let's do multiple conditions. Let's say we want all of the rows where actors have appeared in 25 movies and have a score, the movie score has an average score of greater than 7. So what we can do here is we'll just change this with movie 25, score 7. And what we'll do is say and sub df. We're going to get the IMDb score. And we want to take the mean of that, and we want to test that it is greater than 7. So this will be a Boolean, and this will be a Boolean right here. So if they're both true, it will return true. So let's go ahead and movie.group by actor 1 again, dot filter more than 25, score 7. So here we go. So we actually have a smaller data frame than before, and we'll just call this what do we call it, movie actor 25 score. Okay, so not the greatest names, but just coming up with something on the fly for this. And if we group by, let's just group by actor 1, and now we'll do an aggregation, and we'll just say num movies equals, we can aggregate anything here. So we'll just say actor 1, actor 1, and this will be the size. Let's just check this. All right, so there's only two actors in this set, and we'll just say average IMDb equals IMDb score, and take the mean of this. So we're just verifying that they are in fact have more than 25 movies and an average IMDb score of greater than 7. So looks like this, which is just our original data frame, just filtered just for those that meet this criteria. So there's only 2 actors that meet this criteria, and then this is just for verification purposes. All right, so those are just a couple more examples of ways to use the filter group by method.